For centuries, philosophers and scientists have pondered the relationship between the mind and the body. Are they separate entities, or are they intricately intertwined, influencing each other in profound ways? This fundamental question lies at the heart of understanding human nature and the nature of consciousness itself. The idea that our mental and physical states are deeply connected is not new. Ancient healing traditions across the world have long recognized this connection, emphasizing the importance of balance and harmony between mind, body, and spirit. However, the Western philosophical tradition, largely influenced by René Descartes, took a different approach.
Hello, this is The Thinker speaking. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us reach more people and continue exploring these fascinating topics. Thank you.
René Descartes, a prominent 17th century philosopher, proposed a dualistic view of the mind and body. His ideas were revolutionary at the time, suggesting that the mind, which he saw as the seat of thought and consciousness, was a non-physical substance. He argued that the mind, a non-physical substance responsible for thought and consciousness, was entirely distinct from the body, a physical machine governed by the laws of nature. This concept, known as Cartesian dualism, posited that the mind and body interacted but were fundamentally different in nature. This separation, while influential in shaping Western thought, has had far-reaching consequences. It laid the groundwork for a worldview that sees the mind and body as separate entities, influencing not just philosophy, but also medicine and psychology. It created a false dichotomy, leading to the belief that physical health and mental well-being are separate domains. This perspective has permeated various aspects of society, from healthcare to education, often leading to fragmented approaches in treating individuals. This separation has influenced medical practices, often focusing solely on treating physical symptoms, while neglecting the crucial role of mental and emotional factors. For centuries, this dualistic approach has dominated, sometimes to the detriment of holistic health. However, recent scientific discoveries are challenging this long-held dualistic view, revealing the profound interplay between our mental and physical selves. Modern research is increasingly showing that mental health significantly impacts physical health and vice versa, advocating for a more integrated approach to well-being. Advances in neuroscience, psychology, and psychoneuroimmunology are providing compelling evidence that the mind and body are not separate entities, but rather two sides of the same coin. These fields are uncovering the complex interactions that occur between our mental and physical states, revealing how deeply interconnected they truly are. Research has shown that our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can directly influence our physical health. Positive mental states can promote healing and well-being, while negative emotions can contribute to physical ailments. For example, studies have demonstrated that chronic stress, characterized by persistent feelings of worry and anxiety, can weaken the immune system, making us more susceptible to infection and diseases. This weakening occurs because stress hormones like cortisol can suppress the effectiveness of the immune response. This connection highlights the intricate communication pathways between the brain, the immune system, and the endocrine system, demonstrating the profound impact of our mental states on our physical well-being. Understanding these connections can lead to more holistic approaches in medicine, where treating the mind is just as important as treating the body. The field of psychosomatic medicine provides further evidence of the mind-body connection. Psychosomatic disorders are physical illnesses that are influenced or exacerbated by psychological factors such as stress, anxiety, and depression. Examples of psychosomatic illnesses include irritable bowel syndrome, eczema, headaches, and even heart disease. In these conditions, emotional distress is not merely a consequence of the illness, but plays a significant role in triggering or worsening the physical symptoms. The placebo effect, a well-documented phenomenon in medicine, provides further evidence of the mind's powerful influence on the body. A placebo is a substance with no inherent therapeutic value, yet it can produce real physiological changes when administered with a suggestion of benefit. Studies have shown that placebo responses can lead to measurable improvements in a wide range of conditions, including pain relief, reduced inflammation, and even improved motor function in Parkinson's disease. The placebo effect highlights the extraordinary ability of our beliefs and expectations to shape our physical experiences. Chronic stress, a pervasive issue in modern society, exemplifies the detrimental impact of prolonged mental strain on physical health. When we experience stress, our bodies release hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which trigger a cascade of physiological changes designed to help us cope with the perceived threat. However, when stress becomes chronic, these physiological changes can become harmful. Chronic stress has been linked to a higher risk of cardiovascular disease, weakened immune function, digestive problems, sleep disturbances, and mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. Fortunately, just as our minds can negatively impact our health, they can also be harnessed for healing and well-being. Mind-body practices like meditation and mindfulness have gained increasing recognition for their ability to reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and promote overall health. Meditation involves focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to achieve a state of mental clarity and emotional calmness. Studies have shown that regular meditation practice can reduce anxiety and depression, improve sleep quality, lower blood pressure, and enhance immune function. While the scientific community has made significant strides in understanding the mind-body connection, there are still areas where our current knowledge is limited. Psychic phenomena such as telepathy, clairvoyance, and precognition remain topics of debate and intrigue. Some researchers suggest that these phenomena might point to a deeper interconnectedness between minds and perhaps even between mind and matter. While more research is needed to fully understand these experiences, they challenge our assumptions about the nature of consciousness and the boundaries of human potential. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of the mind-body connection, it becomes increasingly clear that these two aspects of ourselves are not separate entities, but rather inseparable facets of a unified whole. This interconnectedness means that our mental state can directly influence our physical health and vice versa. For instance, stress and anxiety can manifest as physical symptoms such as headaches or stomach issues, while physical ailments can lead to feelings of depression or anxiety. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs have a profound impact on our physical health, and conversely, our physical well-being influences our mental and emotional states. This bidirectional relationship highlights the importance of maintaining a balanced lifestyle that nurtures both the mind and the body. Practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and regular physical activity can help in achieving this balance. Embracing this holistic view has important implications for how we approach health and well-being. It encourages us to look beyond just the physical symptoms and consider the emotional and psychological factors that may be contributing to a person's overall health. This approach can lead to more effective and comprehensive treatment plans. By recognizing the profound interplay between the mind and body, we can move towards a more integrated model of healthcare that acknowledges the crucial role of psychological and emotional factors in maintaining overall well-being. This integrated approach not only helps in treating existing conditions, but also plays a vital role in preventive care, ensuring a healthier and more balanced life. Thank you for your support. Remember, subscribing is very important, as are comments. Your engagement helps us continue to bring you valuable content.